Hi, in this video, we will discuss 6 natural remedies for hyperpigmentation, a condition that causes darkening of certain areas of the skin due to an excess of melanin. Factors like sun damage, hormonal changes, and inflammation can contribute to this condition. Here's a brief guide on how to use the remedies. First, apple cider vinegar. Mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water, apply to the affected area with a cotton ball, and leave on for a few minutes before rinsing off. Second, vitamin C. Apply a vitamin C serum or fresh lemon juice to the affected area. It's important to use sunscreen after applying vitamin C as it can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. Third, licorice root. Steep licorice root in hot water to create an extract and apply it to the affected area. Fourth, niacinamide. Look for products that contain niacinamide or apply a niacinamide serum to the affected area. Fifth, tomato. Apply fresh tomato juice to the affected area and leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing off. And sixth, sandalwood. Mix sandalwood powder with rose water to create a paste and apply it to the affected area. Leave on for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing off. It's not recommended to use all remedies in one day as this can potentially irritate the skin. It's best to choose 1 or 2 remedies that work best for your skin and incorporate them into your skincare routine. These remedies for hyperpigmentation can help to reduce the appearance of dark spots and even out skin tone. Be patient and consistent with your skincare routine as these remedies may take time to show results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching.